Class, let me show you how I use bibme.org when I'm getting information from the internet. But I always make sure that I go to credible fact checking site. Okay, so I am going to use a website which talks about the very current event right now, dated May 26th. This was yesterday. There was a controversial tweet from our beloved president, and he is claiming that Joe Scarborough murdered somebody, an office employee or something. I haven't read, so I have to fact check. But what I'm showing here is the bime.org. So, according to this, for the first time, Twitter flags President Trump's tweet, and I think the flagging was for the reader or for the followers to do the fact checking. Most of us we live in a bubble. That's why this country is so divided that we no longer fact check. We just believe and believe and believe blindly. So many of us believe everything. So as a critical thinking, you're not supposed to do that. So for me, I do the fact checking, and mostly nonprofit organizations will provide us with the facts. So this is one of the fact checking site that I go to, npr.org, or you can also go to snopes.com. I know somebody has posted a while early on about the use of snopes.com. Okay, so fact checking and the use of bibme.org. So I'm going to use this website, and I want you to know how easy it is to use bibme.org. It will give you the in-text citation as soon as you enter the necessary information. So you choose, did you use a journal? Did you use a book? So you click on a book if you did, and then website if you use the website. For this particular source, I use the website. So it will generate the information from me. Here are the information. They're correct. So I will click select, and bibme.org will give you all these details. Then you click on final step, and then click again the create citation. Sometimes some information are blank, so you have to go back to the source and fill in the necessary information. We don't need this for APA, so click create citation, and what happens now? Voila, you have the reference, the full reference, which we put at the end of our presentations, at the end of our essays or research paper. There's a section that says references. And take note, class, you can also copy the parenthetical citation. So if you click on that, you will get the copy and paste. Oh, there was it. Okay, so it's simple. The last name of the author. Let me show you the last name of the author, which I will place here. Okay, so Alan, okay, there you go. I will place that right here at the end, or I will mention it. I'll show it to you later on. Okay, but simply, you can mention Bobby Allen, 2020, wrote or reported that, and then you provide the information. Okay, so that's how simple it is. Let me go back. Now, copy and paste the entire reference. So all you have to do is click that copy and paste, or you highlight this, whichever is more comfortable for you, and then bring it to your paper, to your essay, or to your post. Now I have the entire citation. It's easy, class. So I recommend that you use bibme.org using a free account. All right, I hope this helps.